G'day folks, a quick little video on prepping your panels for carpeting. I've already cut the panels out that sit here, over there in the corner. I made the little console. We've got some panels up the front here, and of course we've got the floor panels. Now I'm just going to quickly run through the tools I use. It's a big sander, very coarse grit, and I run over the whole panel that needs to be covered in carpet. Okay, I have already flipped this particular one and done in 50 mil around the edge of this. These ones here I haven't yet. I'll show you how quickly these two. I'll just quickly sand these up for you. Get a bit of zoom in here. And that's two done. Come and have a quick little squeeze. All right, what I've done is I've just sanded up 50 millimeters around the edge, because when I lay the carpet here, this surface here gets covered in carpet, and of course on the back it's got a flip over, and you have to roll over 50 mil of carpet around this edge. Now anywhere that the carpet has to stick to the aluminium needs to be roughed up, so that the glue, spray contact adhesive, I put it through a spray gun, just a cheaper spray gun you can find, because you do wreck them after a while. And then I just spray, and we've got a roller carpet, cut out the carpet. So just a quick little video to show you the tools we're using to prep the panels to put some carpet on. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and don't miss out on the next show. While I'm at it, here's the panel finished that I've sanded up. Roughed up this one side because that's completely covered in carpet. I've got the carpet set up. That's the back of the carpet, and there's the nice side of the carpet. I've also put a line around the edge to show the glue goes out to the line and no further. And of course this surface here will be covered in glue. Here we go. completely covered. I'll let that all tack off. Alright. Let that tack off. It won't take long in this territory heat. In fact, it's already going on. Swing that down. Just put some pressure on it. I'll throw it on the floor and stand on it. Let's make it happen. That's it. We're done. And I've got a few more pieces to do, but I won't bore you with showing them. I'll just get them done for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The best tinny mods YouTube channel there is. Welcome aboard, guys. Thank you for watching. Okay, so the panel has dried off now. I've made a few cuts in the right spot to fold this around now. So I've got to lay some more glue on here and all the way around. And then I'll fold that all over. Shouldn't take long at all. I can hear some of the viewers already going, oh, why don't you cut the carpet on 45s? Well, if it's not you that's saying that, it's because you know what's going to happen. Now that squashes on there nicely. I'll cut these corners off on the 45. Look how quickly this happens. have it. Finished with all nice 45s there. All trimmed off, nice and neat, as best I'm going to get it. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more. All done. Let me know what you think in the comments. All done. Now there's a reason for this gap in the middle here. You can see the gap runs down the middle there. There's a reason for that. Customers' requests. Little console I made for it too. And a little pocket. Marine carpet. Aluminium floors, aluminium panels. Never do it again. Last forever. Couple of stainless steel hinges. Good to go. Thank you for watching, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if there's anything you'd like to say, please write it in the comments. Have a good day, everyone. See you soon.